Feel free to pause and check out the key vocabulary on screen.
Part 1. Nghiên cứu trong phòng thí nghiệm. A. Did you conduct research in the laboratory yesterday? B. Yes. I set up an experiment to test my hypothesis. I monitored the variable closely and collected data and observations every hour. A. That's great. Will you perform analysis to find any correlation or causation? B. Exactly. After statistical analysis, I hope to draw a conclusion and maybe identify a breakthrough, but it's not rocket science, just hard work.
Part 2. Khoa học kỹ thuật và y học. The field of biology, chemistry, and physics often overlaps in biotechnology. Scientists study specimen and cell structure, manipulate DNA, perform clone research, and work on alternative medicine. Their work plays a crucial role in sustainable ecosystem protection and reducing emissions and pollution. Although challenging, a daunting task, their scientific evidence and empirical data prove that progress in science benefits society, especially when the scientific method is followed.
Part 3. Kong Ninghe va Kam fa Khoa học. A. With technological advancements, modern scientific research often leads to a scientific breakthrough. B. Absolutely. For instance, biotechnological innovation in genetic engineering has revolutionized medicine. Researchers rely on data analysis to interpret results from experiments and observations. A. Yes, and breakthroughs in astronomy also inspire new tools and methods. It's amazing how science and technology work together.
Part 4. Tak Jong Isa Hoi Khoa STEM. Investing in research and development, R&D, has proven essential in solving global issues. Governments must fund biomedical research to improve health outcomes. Meanwhile, space technology and digital revolution create new industries and job opportunities. Though concerns about cyber warfare and ethical considerations exist, public trust grows when scientific evidence and cost-effective solutions are presented, showing that science is not rocket science but still challenging.